9 Australians have been arrested for stripping off at Malaysian Formula 1 Grand Prix have walked free from court. The group, branded as Budgie Nine, were charged with public nuisance, which carries a fine but no jail term. The men were detained after posing in swimsuit decorated with Malaysian flag to celebrate Australian Daniel Ricciardo's win in Sunday's race. Malaysia has strictly rules on any display of public indecency, and foreign offenders are typically issued a fine before being deported. Last year, 4 foreign tourists were jailed for taking naked photographs at the peak of Mount Kinabalu in Malaysia. The maximum fine for public nuisance is Rm 400, in Indian currency 6,441 rupees. Newzstreet Media Desk.